Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel as Prime 23. I'm playing this game PS5 from this PS5 Far Cry 5, and this is going to be part 3. I think I've been through the Grace mission and I've had her in my companionship. I mean Consfarai, I don't know. Yeah, enjoy. Let's do this. Okay, Boomer!
I need some help.
What? Need some help?
You gotta help me. I sure could use an assist.
Right now, I don't want to do side mission, so you know.
Fall's End has damn it! Fall's End has fallen to the Peggies. If you can hear me and you can help, we really need you.
Submissions, Hope County Jail. I have Baron Lumber Mill.
Cultists are always baptizing folks down by the sacristy. Drowning, more like. We tried to take him out, but got caught. Now the cult has my squad. There's too many of them for me to deal with. Save them from the cult, then get them to a weapons cache I stashed across the river.
Exodus. Should I do this before I go? Yeah, why not? Let's
I was worried the cult got you.
go.
Glad to see you up and about.
I will not let people bow to my watch. Ready?
You saved my life.
Watch out for the bear!
John Seed has a goddamn Air Force parked at his ranch.
Oh, there's the bear. Run! Oh, Boomer. Oh, thanks, buddy. The person I saved is killed by the bear, and I run like a witch. I'm sorry. It's a mess. I feel bad. Look at the scenario. Trees, everything. You know? I'm just a view. And the boomer there. Yes, boy. Yes. I love you. So, let's go. No? Location discovered. Dock. Safe house. By 0 by 3. I mean, yeah. Why not? So what should I do? If I save this what? I mean, I might fail. I might try it again. So, okay. Let me go down. And know I can get a clean shot from here, but I think the rifle that I'm using is awesome. That's not one shot. I'll see. Rifle 5. I'm getting a headshot. You know, get a headshot. I'm dead. I don't know, like, why is this game so hard? Like, I don't know. What am I missing? Can I change my weapons, by the way? I think for this, I'm gonna take you. No, you take a rest because this is a sniping type mission. You know?
On the move.
Yeah, come fast. Go run for you, alright? We'll be back to this again.
Getting a better angle. Don't worry, I'll get a clean shot. You never had a chance. On the move.
Fell. Anyway. Hmm. One more.
On my way. I'm moving. Gonna get a better view. On it. Ready to engage. No surviving a hit like that. Did it. Hostile dead.
Yeah. Everybody safe. Like I said, I'm not well.
Haven't felt like this since
You gotta help me. Please don't tell anyone I got caught like that.
Help's coming.
You were about to die, dude.
Don't let them hurt me. Could sure use some help here.
Nothing. Perks. I have 7 perks. I didn't even saw that. So, what I need is, heavy machine gun, grappling. I'll take this. What is this? Primal mastery. Close combat gear bag. Wait, boomer. What is this? So works in arcade. What is this? Auto repair. Wing shoe. What I need is I'll take that. Oh,
God gave me these talents. My eyes, my aim, my trigger finger. I'm better than most of the people on the planet. It's a combo that...
So what is this? Oh, another. Scout resistance.
good for a handful of situations. Competing, hunting, and war zone.
You guys coming? Let's go.
Preppers, just like squirrel, changing position. We got papers.
Contact. Moving out. Can't stay here.
Tango spotted.
Goddamn!
Sir.
Look at the goddamn view.
That wasn't too
Yeah.
bad.
Alright guys, we will be swimming now. Come here! Okay, let's get off. You guys can yeah. Why the yeah.
The smart ones left Hope County years ago.
John's got your partner. Those assholes are worse than the government taking what we earned.
Yeah, I got 770.
Hunting's boring, no skill.
If you see a Peggy, please shoot him in the face for me.
You can expect a creepy video from John soon.
So, main mission. Falls End. Hope County Jail. Which is the nearest one? I'm hearing beer. Let's go, Grace.
That could have been Grace.
Let's go, Grace.
Hope you drive better than you shoot. That was a joke.
Oh!
Working on my people skills.
Yeah, nice try. Can I go to my destination through the river? No? No? Yes?
Damn it! Hello? It's Nick Rye. The cult's at our doorstep, and I think they're here for my plane. We can't hold out for.
Watching the Peggy tactics, I gotta wonder what else they have up their sleeves. I don't think they're hitting back as hard as they can.
Change your position!
Shot, sit.
I can't thank you enough.
Switching up my spot! Hey there. John Seed has a goddamn Air Force parked at his ranch. I'm telling you, the man's gonna kill us all. Or make us wish we were dead. Somebody needs to do something.
I must have a guardian angel.
Not a good spot.
No, dude. You're not going to do that.
Not like they need this anymore. Well, still breathing.
It's mad.
What's your position? Can't do anything from here.
We gonna do something about that. All right, here I go. God damn it! Nice shot.
Taking heavy fire!
Headshot, got it.
They're hitting me!
You're in the middle of the fire, Grace. Oh, don't die like that.
I'm down. Need a hand.
You can fast. Go, dude. Whoa! Why am I dying so fast in this video? I mean, I don't have any perks. Oh! I was...
You've been marked by John. That means he's gonna come and get you. Not him personally. Guy's too much of a fucking pussy for that. He'll put a bounty on you. Trouble up ahead.
Are you guys dead? Did I throw something at you? Yeah. Go to my destination. Where is it?
Falls in. Line him up and knock him down. Change in position.
Oh!
You fuckers!
Am I playing in hard mode right now? Because like I'm playing a lot. Or am I just-
Switch in position. Can't do anything from here. Not a good spot. I'm on the move. We got Peggy's.
Not here anymore. Forget it.
Getting a better angle.
I love it here. I hear you, my son.
Roger that. Threat eliminated.
Oh, father. Pick up a weapon and fight. Again, don't come in the way. Because I'll shoot you.
Air support is inbound.
So what am I supposed to do?
Six shots, six.
Gonna strike these sinners.
Ay, ay, shit. Pick up, pick up, pick up. Oh, shoot, shoot.
Coming in from on high.
They got air support! Look out! They're ready for it! To pieces! Take it out with a machine gun!
Yes, I'm going there. Bear with me. Or oh, I missed it. Oh.
Hit from above.
Wake up. Position. That's
Appreciate it.
funny. So I think I need to.
Moving out. Can't stay here.
Take that plane out before it just... Gonna take a run at him. Don't get fancy. We gotta put as many holes as we can. I'm taking... Use a machine gun. Yes! You did it! God truly watches over us.
Switching up my spot. Headed up.
See that?
Good night.
Now.
That could have been better.
Yeah, liberated. False end.
He will wipe every tear from their eyes. There will be no more death or mourning or crying or pain. For I know the plans that I have made for you, declared the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future. I don't claim to know God's plans, but I know a good thing when I see it. Getting quite a reputation, Deputy. You're the first good thing to happen to this valley in a long time.
A little help.
Are you trying to break your neck?
Just seemed like a good idea at the time. Thanks. Shit. It's you. Sorry, didn't realize. All you've done, might as well add Mover to the list, huh?
Thought that Eden's Gate confiscated all of this.
Hell kind of fair grave would I be if I didn't have a hidden stash. Learn from the best.
This town, it's been through a lot, Deputy. We owe you thanks, but
I know you're looking for your people. But the truth is, you ain't the only one in need of help. The pastor and I can only do so much.
you could see about lending a hand. Be sure to return the favor. What do you say? Ooh. Barry will get you squared away. When you get the chance, come by the church. I'll be there.
Okay. Oh, I'm RPG.
Nights here have their own kind of darkness.
Brothers and sisters,
Sight, but
someone out there is not playing by the rules.
Can't thank you enough for
Someone is taking from us,
Cultists.
stealing what rightfully belongs to the Father. They are a murderer and a coward. But God sees them, and God will guide us to them. They will be found, and they will be punished. This is the will of the Father.
I plan on dying peacefully in this town. Thanks very much.
You're doing a hell of a job, kid. But Eden's Gate isn't just gonna sit around with their thumbs up their butts. We push, they push back harder. John's gonna send out birds to try and spot you from the air, and armed convoys to intercept you on the road. You keep your head on a swivel.
Okay. I need to buy some weapons. So weapons. Facing store products. I need a powerful weapon. This no good. What is this? I want an AK. That is. It's not even locked yet. I mean, unlocked yet. What about SMGs? Oh, I can have it? Oh, dude. I'll take this. Coloring, so customize. Toggle details. What do I want to add? I want to add 1725 for that. But I need it though. I will do one more mission and I'll end the video. So this is pastors. What is this? Right now. So Lamb of God Church.
Damn it! Hello?
You know what? Let's do the or what's this? This one. No,
Could do without the moon. Gives away your position.
A lot of blood spilled.
Sick bed. In his illness, you restore him to health. Come here, deputy. Can't tell you how good it feels to be back in Falls End. I'm glad you're looking to do more here. We need you. As you can see, John Seed's making a lot of people suffer right now, and quite frankly, I can't keep up. These people need me. They're my responsibility now. But that just means keeping tabs on the resistance is being that much harder. When you get a chance, head out east and check on our people at the Woodson Pig Farm. I haven't heard back from them in a couple of days, and that worries me. We can't afford to lose a single one of our fighters.
Hello. I don't know. My mic is. I mean, my sound is fading away. I think I should. You know what? I will do this. How about this? Okay. Done. So you want me to go where?
Falls End is safe.
Fallen Valley.
Preppers, give me a break. Just a bunch of morons playing soldier.
What about? No, it's okay. Because I'm not doing anything like that. I just like do the mission. That would be great. No, we don't. We will not be messing around. We'll go straight to the mission.
That was close.
Cultists will kill the hostages if they lay eyes on you. You gotta attack quietly. It's their best chance at survival.
Yes, Father. I'll be doing that.
Switching position. Can't do anything from here.
Before I go in, let me like do some settings. So that's done. Hello. Yeah. Okay. It's done. Because like the sound was I was really far. I felt like I was talking away from very far away. So, oh, it's already 40 minutes. Hmm. So I need to rescue 3. Yeah, they killed everybody. I mean, no, Grace. We'll try again. Once more.
Deputy, it's Pastor Jerome. If you're getting close to Woodson's pig farm, be careful. Cultists will kill the hostages if they lay eyes on you. You gotta attack quietly. It's their best chance at survival.
Headshot, nice. Drop.
Done.
I'm gonna keep on fighting. Thanks.
Still alive.
I want to talk a minute.
What about one? What does one do? Okay.
I ain't gonna let the resistance down. Goddamn! Someone's firing!
Take it.
Honey, it's me.
If you want to read it, pause it, okay? Okay.
We were gonna pass.
Let's go. Yes.
Like these are sparking the resistance. Those people
Thank you.
are stronger today because of you. Just like the story of David and Goliath. You're inspiring real courage. Keep it up.
Done. Mission done.
That was
Good
close.
Samaritan. Yeah. Alright guys. This is it for this video. I'll be coming back with more. Thank you for watching.